why can't we ever take a picture of the moon? It's the moon. It's very big and very half. Very half. The more you scroll in, the blurrier it gets. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I am the creeper. I'm sitting in the dark. What's the time change now? But I'm still 3 hours early for the estate sale. And it's actually, I'm really early because it was only 5 minutes away from the house. And I get so anxious about an estate sale. Whether I get the goods or not. There's some Pyrex, there's some vintage Christmas, there's some old, like 1920s pig showing ribbons I thought were very cool, and then we'll see what else I get. This is always crazy that I'm always chatting with you all in the dark. Yeah, and there's no parking. None. Like the whole block surrounding the house, there's no parking. Across the street, there's no parking. It's by a school zone. So we kind of had to like park kitty corner. So this is going to be, I mean, I've gone where there's no parking before, but wow, there's no parking here. So 3 hours to go. I'll just start doing some of my work, editing some of my videos. Number four.
All right.
Number 4. Okay, which one's
Oh, good.
Where it shows in the basement?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, straight forward is the basement. Okay. Nope, it is not. It is not. Your face. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. That's funny. It's a Thanksgiving nesting doll. Why not? Look at this retro. I'm gonna grab
Let's see,
these.
what's sterling? Sterling was currently $87 an ounce.
Oop, oop. That one went flying. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
So did he say there's a stuff upstairs?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. We'll go upstairs. Oh my gosh, these steps are so. so steep. So little. Here. This little box. See this little bitty. I was just trying to see this little bitty. This little bitty.
Is this your file? No, it's my phone.
That's funny. I don't know much about that.
Yeah, no, it's all right.
That little duck. Vintage Christmas. Look at that. That is so cute. Where's the end? I don't even know what I'm grabbing. I'm just grabbing. Just dig in here. Could be something wonderful. Could be something wonderful. Look at that one. There's the lid to it. It's a whole grocery store. That lid. Uh-oh, I'll get that.
Any of the little, there was a bunch of little vintage birthday.
I did not see those. I have not seen them yet anyway. Were they in the kitchen? Trying to see where's the. I can't find the lid to it. That'd be so cute for butter bits. But it's plastic. Oh goodness. Just think that there's going to be a hidden treasure in there somewhere. That's cool. That's very cute.
I know, that's what
Whoa. It's quite the box.
One. There, I find it
Oh, I missed that piece.
Oh no, this is just, I think we're starting to run out of.
Oh. Oh. Oh, that's a nice one. Yep. So I did end up being number one, and you know, you see all the same people that you. So my goal was to go and get the Pyrex, and then I knew anyway. So I ended up going to the basement to see if that was really a tinsel tree or not, or what vintage Christmas was on there. And I knew if I did that, I was not going to get the Pyrex, and that's okay. It's okay. I still that was a fun pick. My total spend was $10. He did a bundles, so. And a lot of it just wasn't even priced. So you were just kind of like walking around looking at stuff, and there was you were just running into people. So I was so surprised that I got a Grandma Core bread box. Y'all, they don't want them painted. That's exactly how they're selling like the heart shelves right now. So other than cleaning it up, I grabbed the 2 little corn salt and pepper shakers because, I mean, $10. I sell them for $5. You made your profit. I didn't even really look to see if the little nesting set of I've never seen Thanksgiving because why not? Why not?
So, oh yeah, so there's an Indian, another little pilgrim. How many's in there? Another Indian, and then a turkey. That is hilarious. That's fun. I haven't had a set of these in a while. I'm sure made in China. I did pick up those two little oil lamps, little amber oil lamps. I mean, not big selling items, but you know, part of being a reseller is you want those items that are in that 5 to 10 price range for people to be able to grab and go. I went through their dishes and I picked up a couple spoons because you heard me say, I'm like, we're always hosting get-togethers. We never have enough serving spoons. So I thought, oh, those are good size. Of course, I was in there looking to see if they had a tomato spoon. I did. This is a St. Joseph little Bible. I don't know if it's 1963. Got his name in there. I did grab, I'll show it later. It was a little heart shelf, just a little trinket shelf, and it had the world's smallest little bottle. I can't even read what that little bottle says. Look at that little bitty bottle. Oh my gosh, so stinking cute. I didn't take a ton of what was on it. This little egg cup. I thought there was flowers in here. My flowers may be my flowers may be elsewhere. Horses are popular, so I grabbed this tin. I don't know what is in the tin. It looks like it used to be toffee. Oh, nuts and bolts. I just the tin is cool for the horse collectors. Yes, you saw me find the fairy lamp, and I was very excited. So, got some chippiness, or well, I don't know. I mean, it's kind of imperfections is what it is because it's not sharp. So yeah, it's imperfections. Because if it was broken, it would be sharp. So the fairy tops right now, Alex just sold one, I think, for $75 on eBay because the base, it had the third piece in there, and I see somebody tried to hot glue it at one point. Somebody tried to glue it. So there's that. And the third piece is in there. So yes, at one point they knew they broke it. I think you just try to sell the top. People are looking for the tops. I mean, I might be able to get that and sell it as is, but it wouldn't be anything I would ship. I mean, what would you do? I mean, I had to grab it. I had to. Yeah, I mean, actually, all the three pieces fit back inside each other. So I don't know. I'll think about it. I didn't even know it was the Homeco one. So there's that. And then I have to grab my big bag. The pieces do all fit together. So, and there's so I don't know. Do you try to repair it and sell it, or are you just selling it? I thought that the top was damaged. It's actually not sharp, so I think it's manufacturer's imperfection. So there it is. I mean, not getting the Pyrex or not getting a tinsel tree, you know, those are big ticket items. Pyrex, slow sell. Tinsel tree could be fast sell, could be slow sell. There wasn't one, so it didn't matter. I picked up this tin in the basement. Looks like somebody wallpapered it. Oh, look at, there's a bonus. It's got a green handle in there because it's an old tin and I can make something out of it. And like I said, it's got wallpaper on it. If the other tins in the kitchen wouldn't have been like that brassy, coppery color, where I could have left them as is, I probably would have grabbed those to make over. I did take this trinket shelf. It does have a little 80s heart on it. Like I said, I think the last little trinket shelves I sold, $10 is what I charged for them, $12. So I know not everything is always going to be this huge profit margin. I did get this piece of is this Fire King? I can't remember. Anyway, I've had it before. These little soup cups in the orange. They're about $8, so not, as I said, not big ticket items. I did get a Hershey's. I was pretty happy about a Hershey's. Well, for my own decor, I wanted them, but when I look at them, I don't want to spend that much. I want to thrift them. So I'd like a brown one because chocolates. You got Valentine's Day, you got Easter, you got Christmas. There's so many reasons to decorate with Hershey's, and I need another collection to look for. And then there was this button upstairs in the attic. I can get it open. I'm assuming there's buttons in it. Oh, yes, there is buttons in it. So I'll soak it in water in the hopes that sometimes that old masking tape is not friendly. I did get a vintage spice, though there's all the pieces, and it has like the colored bottles with it. I'm looking for the drawer. I think one of the drawers was broken. That's okay. We like to make stuff, so I can repair that. I love a good project piece. Yeah, because spice, people like the spice. I love the colors of it. So like it still has the labels, and then it had colors on it. Like I said, I'll just figure out what to do with it. I didn't note it. It's hard because you just kind of like, I gotta grab and go. And then these cute little, I don't know, somebody will probably love them. And I'm not even positive, but that little lid fit on there, and I couldn't find anybody else in the cake container, so I grabbed that. Let's open that third piece. Oh, there's a little, this is on the spice. Got this little guy, little Easter piece. He actually even says Easter, little ducky. And then I did was able to, nobody had grabbed those, probably because they said $5 a piece, but he didn't charge $5 a piece. Like I said, I spent $10 for everything. So these old show tags. So that was my haul, y'all. that was it. That's what I looked and looked and looked. I saw goodies in other people's hands, but it was all good, The bread box is amazing. Those are very hot sellers right now. I just have to clean that up. The fairy lamp top, I will consult with Alex if he thinks I should glue it back together or not and try to sell it as is in my booth. There's that. You don't even see them out and about anymore, so I don't know. And then I got a couple project pieces. I'm happy with project pieces because I can't find them at Goodwill, so I'll take what I can get. And the spice ends up being a project piece, but that's not any big deal to put a new front on that. So how early do you all get up for estate sales to go stand in line? I know I saw my friend Lisa, and she was like, I cannot believe that and she lives right around the corner. I'm like, well, I can't help it. I get so excited. I gotta go. So that's my little haul. Thanks for coming with me. I hope the craziness it's the craziness. It is just the craziness of being a reseller. So talk to you later. Bye. Goodness, how many people used to do this? Look at that. Save all your twist ties. Do they even have twist ties anymore? That's adorable. And then there's some rocks. That's funny. I remember that. Always had to save your twist ties.